Another presentation today on a tail lift jack. So this one is having electrical problem. It's not hydraulic problem like before. So from the driver's complaint, this motor is having problem. So he has to hammer the motor before the jack can operate. So from when he called me, I already know what to do, because I know that 50% to 60% sure is the carbon brush that are finished. So despite the fact everything looks so dirty. So I've started the engine in order to check the tail lift jack, because the reason why I have to start the vehicle is because if I don't start, maybe I operate, the battery will run down, and if the battery run down, I'm in trouble. I am in trouble for another problem. So for this reason, that's why the vehicle is definitely running. So this is a battery on and off switch already engaged. So I will check. So after I check, I discovered that the up direction, this one is having the 2 type. This one is having the 2 type switch. So one person have to, since I'm having the phone up, so you can get the sound tack to show that something like the armature is not properly working the right way as it should work. So this is the fuse. The fuse is okay. And this is the remote control, so everything is properly working. Then the down direction is okay. I will take down. So it is always advisable, before you walk, you have to take this jack down for safety purpose or for safety reason. You have to take down. So the motor, there is no sound. There is no sound to prove that the brush is bad. So for that reason, so it's going up very slow. You can see it going up very slow, and the alternator is not having that big sound. Just take down. Just take and keep it down like that, because since we are going to be working on the jack, it is not okay. Good. So now like this, what we have to do, we have to cut our power. So now the power is already cut off by a motor remove. Only this. So now what we have to do now is, we have already cut off this power. So we have to only work on the motor section. So this is the power line, and this is the ground line. I don't know whether you guys can see very well. So then I will lose these 2 island bolts from this pump, then take out the motor for me to do what I'm about to do. So the solenoid is okay, and the problem is only the motor. So we have to change the carbon brush. So straight away, let's engage. Baby. So we are about to lose the 2 bolts. Yeah, lose those bolts. What do you want? Little hammer, friend. Little hammer. Yeah, little like that. So the island boy is little hard. Yeah, you get it. Also lose it down on too. Baby, down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. just to the right. Okay, lose this other one upside. Let's see. Okay, those are the 2 bolts. This completely loose off. Okay, then take it out now. Yeah. Okay, this is the alternator motor out. So we are going to open it now. A bit better. Thirteen and 10 spinal. 13 is there and 10. No, there is no 10 socket, only 10 ring. 10, that is 7 spinal. You have to release this, so that's when you are losing the other. When you want to remove this cap, you will not have problem. Like this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Screwdriver. Yeah. Okay. How much is it? No, don't bother. This one is coming out together. No. Brush is finished. Brush is finished. Remove. This one is staying here. Wait. Wait. Bara. Bring another screwdriver. The bearing inside is holding it, so it's not coming out easily. So the brush, if you see these are the carbon brush. They are already finished. So we have to replace this carbon brush. The motor is still good. Wait a baby.
Hello.
Yeah, it is already finished. So you have to lose this in order to remove. We just have to check. No, this is no problem. Yeah, this other one. Push inside, all together. Yeah, there you take up. Yeah, the last one. Okay, no, just So when we were coming, we brought another spare. Let me go get it. I don't know whether it is going to be the same. So we came along with another spare. Maybe open this, let's see. Loose.
Start
Only here. This one is another design. So this is having a different type of lock. Maybe, yeah. So we are going to see what to do if we can do some adaptation. Maybe lose this. Remove. Wait, always bar this lock. If there is this lock, you always have to bar it before you remove. There are always 4 of them. Wait, yeah, like this. Okay, so from the open this. So, screwdriver open. This screwdriver. Yeah, like that. Open. Oh. Remove. That's why you have to open here complete. Take pliers. So these two are different models. They are not the same, but they work for the same purpose. Yeah, like that. Okay. One after the other. Okay, we take it out. So if you look, you compare these two, you see a very big difference. This one is completely finished, so this one is still. It is not the same, but what we are going to do is we have to trim it, because this area where this vehicle is having this breakdown, there is no alternative. We can't get another one here. So all what we have to do is to trim it. That is the reason I came along with this grinding machine. So that we can trim it. So we'll trim it to get the right size, since it is having two terminals. We'll cut one and use here and shape it in such a way that it will fit inside, or it will match inside this its frame. So that is exactly what we are going to be doing. It is not good, but where this vehicle is having breakdown, we don't have any alternative rather than to do like this. Okay, so we are in the grinding stage. So you can see what we are doing. We are trimming almost in the two bars. So as we are doing it, we are taking it. So it is not proper, but today in this where I work, today is a public holiday. So let's take inside, let's see. Breakdown. Normally we're not supposed to work today. So this is emergency. This is an emergency job. We are inside the company, but everywhere is open. So we are recording this video immediately. Today is the 2nd of December. That is UAE National Day. For those who know about the UAE, that's the reason we are doing this. So it was inside the week. We will now go to the right thing, buy the right balance and come and see. So there we go. So as we get to the stage of coupling, because we already did our grinding, so if you see, you cannot differentiate whether it have not been grind or not. It have been grind or not. So this is what we are going to be doing now. Baby, this last fix. So if you might not know what to do, this is how to fix it. Yeah, you can see him assembling it. A bit turn. Yeah, like that. That is how it is being assembled. So as you proceed, you have to make sure that these internal couplings are very clean. No, come, Dad, bring nitrogen sapphire, nitrogen air. So you put, yeah, inside there. So we have to sandpaper everything around here. So we have one cylinder here. We'll open the cylinder. Okay. Okay. Assembling stage. Oh, baby. Before you assemble, you have to make sure this bolt. Wait. Yeah, this bolt position. This position is aligned, so it is having a. So these are the position that it have to align. And make sure. Wait, baby. Okay, make sure.
Working.
Yeah. Make sure this. Yeah, it is there. Put the other one again and check so that you don't have to assemble everything. Then check the other second hole again.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it here because it is so that let it not. We already sandpaper this surface where the brush are going to be running. Sandpaper already. So now you have to fix. Yeah. Turn side, the opposite side. This place it is having a lock here. This lock is supposed to come inside here. Okay, we are about to check to see. Okay. Wait, Abibi. Okay. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to work. So it's not hot. If it is hot, it means it is not working properly. So it is not hot, which means everything is good. See, everything is fine here. No hot. So now we are going to mounting it again to see. Get there. Okay. Yeah, go. Okay.
Smoke is it?
No, don't bother about the smoke. This thing.
Kachra.
Yes, that will clean inside. This okay. So right now we are at the finishing stage. We have fixed the new brushes. You see.
Any other thing?
Take another longer bowl there. As we are fixing the screws. Okay. Maybe colors. Color tight? Alright. So we have to put the cork. Cover. Make sure it is. Wait. Probably. Wait, where is it? Always make sure you check this bearing if the bearing is okay. It did not come with any grease, like we'll have lubricated. So, but there is no problem. Fix, but baby, fix. This one, have you forgot? Tie together both sides. Okay.
Okay.
Baby, make sure pin this hole, see that, let it go straight. Yeah, we have to centralize the pump keyway and the dynamo keyway, the alternator keyway. Fixing is the same procedure as removing, so everything have to go the same. Yes, this. I'll be sure that. Fixing of the wires. So we have to make sure all the wires are fixed accordingly. Here, this one here. That is the ground for the dynamo, for the solenoid. Have to tighten everything properly for proper current flow and nothing related to wire shortage or ground. So everything have to be properly fixed. So I have finished my battery switch on, then check. I will down. No, down. So here is an end to what we were doing. So we are done with our job. Take it up, baby, so you can hear the sound to prove that everything is properly working the right way. Yeah. It can take up these cylinders, you see. Those cylinders that are there, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So the horsepower now can take up this 14 cylinder of about 70 kg, which is approximately a ton. This is oxygen, medical oxygen, if you've never heard of anything about oxygen. So it is closed. Everything is set. Everything is fine. I will be little down again one more time for confirmation. Oh, you're only taking it up. Okay. Down. So this is for Jira. Today is a public holiday. So we have done our best with no spare part. We are able to fix this, to repair this. So that is it. Try to take me up, baby. Try to take me up. Okay. More. Yeah. You forget to start the vehicle. Maybe battery down. Okay. It is here we put a cap to this our tail lift video for today. It is here we put an end. It is here we put an end. Yes, finish myself.